Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful comparisons. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using these services. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into the JPMorgan Chase versus Morgan Stanley debate, which firm reigns supreme. Both are financial titans on the global stage, yet their target audiences and service offerings differ significantly. It's crucial to grasp these distinctions to determine which aligns best with your financial needs. JPMorgan Chase stands as a universal banking behemoth, catering to a broad spectrum of clients. Their services encompass everything from everyday consumer banking, think checking accounts, credit cards, and mortgages, to small business loans and comprehensive commercial and investment banking solutions. This breadth of services makes JPMorgan Chase a compelling one-stop financial hub for individuals and businesses alike. With a vast network of physical branches, ATMs, and robust digital platforms, they prioritize accessibility. Consumers, entrepreneurs, and mid-sized companies seeking user-friendly banking options, competitive lending rates, and rewarding credit card programs will find JPMorgan Chase a suitable partner. In contrast, Morgan Stanley primarily operates within the realm of wealth management and investment banking. Their focus rests squarely on high-net-worth individuals, large corporations, and institutional investors. Morgan Stanley's strengths lie in strategic advisory services, sophisticated asset management, advanced investment strategies, and providing in-depth global market insights. If you require expert portfolio management, private wealth advising, or mergers and acquisitions (M&A) advisory, Morgan Stanley's extensive global research, specialized expertise, and deep-rooted history in capital markets position them as a strong contender. Another key differentiator lies in their retail banking approach. JPMorgan Chase excels in providing consumer-focused checking and savings accounts, mortgages, and credit cards. Conversely, Morgan Stanley largely eschews traditional consumer banking products, concentrating instead on discretionary portfolio management, hedge funds, and complex financial instruments. Fee structures and minimum account balances also diverge. Morgan Stanley generally caters to clients with substantial investable assets, potentially making it less accessible for the average consumer. Meanwhile, JPMorgan Chase's diverse product range and tiered account options offer more accessible entry points for everyday banking and credit needs. Ultimately, your ideal choice depends on your specific financial objectives. If you seek a comprehensive, full-service bank encompassing consumer, small business, and commercial services alongside some investment capabilities, JPMorgan Chase is likely the better fit. However, if your priorities center on high-level wealth management, investment banking, and specialized advisory services, Morgan Stanley likely emerges as the superior option. Carefully consider your priorities, from daily banking needs to sophisticated investment strategies, and select the institution that best aligns with your financial goals.